Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jing Castaneda, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Oxfam Pilipinas National Women's Month. This year, our rallying cry is personal to powerful, our power to act.
We have the power to act and shape the future we want. We must persist and use our power to act, mobilize, and lead our communities to demand the more equal world that we rightly deserve. Thus, our theme, from personal to powerful. It has been 30 years after the Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action. At tunay naman na meron naman tayong ipinag-unlad.
Nandito tayo ngayon para talakayin ang mga mahalagang issue tungkol sa sexual and reproductive health and rights and justice.
Of course, alam natin na yung development ngayon, nasa ground na yung labanan. Tingnan natin yung mga batas mandated national laws, kaya national government, meron silang mga initiative. Hindi siya bumababa actually dun sa mga LGUs.
I think yung keyword ay tuloy-tuloy. Parang walang nagbago, Lord. And on a daily basis, lagi pong mayroong updates ang ating mga community sa SHE. So, ang sabi po natin, tuloy-tuloy lang.
After 7 years of implementing the SHE project po, meron pong maraming mga pagbabago. Pero sa ngayon, tuloy pa rin yung ating efforts.
Overwhelmingly surprising to see na kahit patapos, or actually natapos na nga yung SHE project, ipatuloy pa rin yung mga kabataan natin.
I rise to the challenge because I want my children to be able to live in an environment, in a society where they can freely make choices for their bodies, for their future, for their development. So yun yung reason why bumabangon ako araw-araw. Maraming salamat and happy Women's Month.